I put my tongue inside.
It's a good way to start a video! I put my tongue inside.
Inside where?
That's the question. We don't reveal it.
I don't feel I want to be in this room.
So, a quick short video of Rogue Wave and Jairo, the champions of this year's GBB. So probably this will be mind blowing, right?
Yeah. And
Do we put the tongue inside or just go?
I was just gonna say, it looks like they're all using their phones to record.
Oh,
Yeah.
Indonesia style, man.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go. Maybe some
Go back?
post there even.
After the video fall back?
Oh shit.
Sorry.
He's not sorry.
He's not sorry.
Alright, let's go to it. Let's go. Just touch it. That last drop, Outa.
Crazy.
Bro,
They
it sounds like
recorded
they're
this on
playing
your
the bass
phone.
and something. Yes, oh, so clean. But I have to say, as an iPhone holder, Apple, the audio is actually really good. Really good.
I use Android.
Yeah. You use Android, you can't do the split snare, bro. What is wrong with you?
GBB level?
Come on, Stitch! You need an iPhone, split snare, comment. Nah, I think it's like processed. It
Yeah,
has to
big
be, like...
big shout out to Shimo Ren.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Shimo Ren, yeah.
Mix mastering Shimoren. Oh, incredible. So clean.
This guy is the king of audio mastering in Japan.
Oh, you know him?
Yeah, he's part of New Schooler.
Of course I know. Oh, when I looked into his eyes, I knew, okay, it's over, I can't lie. No, but New Schooler, of course I know, but Shimoren, I can't remember. I'm really sorry, but audio? Wow.
Right?
Wow, like studio production, man.
Yeah.
Just with Apple iPhones. I don't know if it's Apple. Maybe it's Android. Maybe it's some hope for you.
I'm getting bullied today, guys.
No, but I think, do you think he like auto-tuned it?
I mean,
It's so on point.
even if it was auto-tune, I wouldn't mind. Because
Yeah, of course
it's
not,
not a
of course
waka, it's like
not,
a music video, right? But
Yeah.
like, it's so the audio, it sounds like a real instrument.
So good. Especially this last drop, it sounds like just bass playing. Wow.
That last one is crazy.
Wow.
I mean, I knew River had like a crazy trombone sound, but it sounds so crazy here.
Yeah. And then probably with John T's bass line down there. Do they all do bass lines? It was too much to comprehend, man.
I think in the beginning, John too, he just has like a double.
So these guys, right?
Yeah, he's doing it too. Yamori is doing a trombone too.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
dun 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 dun. So 3. Collapse. Yeah, and I also want to say this in the beginning. What this yodeling technique River's doing?
Yeah.
This one.
Or
Oh,
is it
sounds
Yamori?
so on point here. What?
Is it River or Yamori?
Wait, let's just go
Yamori
play
is
it back.
this guy.
Because he also did this in the
GBB.
elimination, but there it was like not 100%. It was like a bit off, but here it's like 100% and sounds incredible.
Perfect.
It sounds really perfect, man.
Yeah, I wanted to go into like this part over here though, cause this one was so good, especially after they did the trombone, right? And you have this collapse over here, like
Yes.
that combo.
It's so good,
You know
yeah.
one more thing that's crazy? So while Collapse is doing the beat, he's also doing a bass line in there. And if you can hear properly, right? He's actually
you mean
on
the lip
pitch.
roll?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
actually on pitch too, so it's crazy.
And he's dragging it somewhere.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's like, sometimes it's like.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I think oftentimes in like really melodic or harmonic compositions, the guys who do like the drums or the bass lines, they get neglected. How good and important that
Yeah.
role is to make it like sound full
Yeah.
and complete. Yeah.
Over here he's
Like,
like,
oh, sorry.
over here he's like standing up.
Yeah.
Where you sing?
No, I like, for example, like Beatness from Bedroom. He never gets credit for like
Yeah.
every time hitting the perfect bass notes.
He's so good. Yeah.
And he is so good. But I have like this same feeling with John T, always doing like the bass notes, also like with the Jairo and the tech team. And it's so hard, man.
You forgot his name, huh?
Yamori, come on!
Yeah.
Come on!
I had to check.
Yeah, understandable. I know. But yeah, insane.
Yeah.
Wow, now I'm hyped for the battles.
Yeah, I want these two to rematch at the next GBB.
Oh yeah.
Maybe they probably participate again. If it's happening in Japan again.
Yeah.
But maybe Collapse and River.
Judging.
Yeah, I think they battled a long time, especially River. Now
I think
going
he
the
wants a
second.
break.
Yeah, I think he needs a break.
Just judge a lot, you know.
See, then they make space for Stitch! And Artsy!
And Sxin!
Damn, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have more ideas, we react, comment video.
Comment video and comment YouTube. On Facebook.
Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Okay, let's go! Next time we're gonna continue bullying Stitch, so please click the video, share it, and see his happy face.